If you want to reorganize your presentation quickly, this video is going to show you exactly how to reorder slides in LibreOffice Impress in just a few easy steps. This is super useful when you want to improve the flow of your presentation, move an introduction closer to the beginning, shift a summary to the end, or simply clean up the order before you share your file. And the best part is, you can do it all just by dragging and dropping slides. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have your presentation file saved, you can open that right away. If not, go to the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation to start a new one. Once your presentation is open, take a look at the Slides panel on the left side of the window. This panel shows all of your slides in thumbnail form, which makes it very easy to see the current order of your presentation at a glance. Now find the slide you want to move. Click and hold on to that slide thumbnail with your mouse. As soon as you hold it down, drag it up or down to the new position where you want it to appear. You'll notice LibreOffice gives you a visual guide, so it's easy to see exactly where the slide will land before you let go. When the slide is in the correct place, simply release the mouse button. That's it. The slide order will change instantly, and your presentation will update right away. You can repeat the same process for any other slide you want to move, whether you're rearranging a single slide or rebuilding the entire flow of the presentation. This drag and drop method is fast, simple, and perfect for making quick edits without needing any complicated tools or menus. One helpful tip is to zoom out mentally and think about the story your presentation is telling. Move your strongest opening slide to the front, place supporting slides in the middle, and finish with your conclusion or call to action at the end. That way your presentation feels smoother and more professional. If you accidentally move a slide to the wrong spot, don't worry. Just click and drag it again until it's in the right position. Once you get used to it, reordering slides in LibreOffice Impress becomes second nature. And if you found this video useful, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to reorder slides in LibreOffice Impress quickly and easily.